All right, guys, we got the Deviate under the back seat ARB air compressor hooked up in the back of the truck right now. We just got done doing a bunch of awesome off-road trails. We got Danny getting a little tippy on some of them, and we had some cool little off-road rock crawling spots. We're just kind of checking out some stuff, some mines and whatnot around here in my local area. But we're gonna air up the truck with the new ARB air compressor with the Deviate mount. And personally, I'm tired of burning my fingers, dealing with, you know, opening the hood, putting the alligator clamps on everything and burning my fingers and wrapping all the cables up. Like I said, like, I'm just tired of it. The ARB Deviate air compressor mount is awesome because it lives under the back seat of your vehicle. I will show you guys how I wired that up right now. All right, guys, so first step is to take out all this junk. Since if you do have a lifted truck, which I'm assuming you're gonna have a lifted truck, using this jack is gonna be completely pointless. So you have a little weight reduction, and yeah, just get all this stuff out of here, because that's where the new Deviate ARB air compressor is gonna mount to, all your factory hardware and everything. So we'll pull off like the spare tire thingy and everything. And the jack, that's completely useless because we got 37s now and that jack ain't gonna do shit. So all right, to get this little bracket off here, this little doodad right there, this little doodad right here, you can do a little 10 mils, get that guy off here. So like I said, this is kind of like a prototype. Let me know down if you guys want this product, but we got the ARB mounted up now. You're gonna use your factory hardware right here and here, and then you're going to flip this over and you're going to use the hardware that came with the ARB air compressor to mount it. I don't have that, so I kind of have it a couple here and there where I need them to be, just some out of the junk drawer. But that's those 4 bolts. You're going to mount those up to that plate, and you can kind of adjust it however you want. And then we're going to do these 2 bolts right here, 2 little Allen heads that cover up the shield, which also houses the switch. So I'm eventually gonna have to get the switch all dialed in. I don't have that yet because I bought this ARB air compressor aftermarket, or used. I bought it used, so I don't have pretty much all the stuff, but we're gonna put this on in the back of the truck with those factory 10 mil bolts, and we'll be dialed, and I'll catch up with you guys when I get that installed and when I start wiring it up also. All right, so your next step is just gonna have to shimmy this whole piece into it, and it's dialed. Like, this thing fits so dang cleanly. I got the wires routed out that way, just because I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna get it to the engine bay just quite yet. I have an idea, but I'm not entirely sure. But sorry for all the junk right here, but she's a nice clean setup, so I'm excited to get this all wired up and be able to use it. And then eventually we'll get that switch, so we can just hit the switch real quick, or I might route the switch out here onto the side so I can just flick it, plug in my air hose, and call it good. But right now we got that installed. Let's get to actually airing up the tires right now. All right, guys, so you saw Danny, he was burning his fingers and dealing with the fiddling with the cords and whatnot. I'm tired of it. So we got the Deviate air compressor mount. We're gonna open the truck up here, pop the back seat real quick. Pop the back seat, we have it all close right there in the back seat of the truck. We're gonna grab the air hose right here, and we're gonna plug her in to the top. Air hose is cold. It's not even hot yet. Plug that guy in there like that, and we'll get our little 2-way. All right, so we got a little 2-way here. So this one will go to here, of course. Fart. Boom, boom. Grab that side. Come over here and doing this side. Oh, So you can use the ARB wiring harness that comes with it with the switch. The switch is on top of the ARB mount. And what I did personally, what I would like to do is turn my truck on because it turned off. Hold on real quick. Whoops. Yeah, make sure your truck's turned on while you air up all the time. So now all I gotta do is hit the button. And now you can step back, kind of just chill, and it's actually peaceful, nice and quiet. So now I don't got to deal with a bunch of hoses, because I like the 4-way, the concept, but it's just kind of annoying, putting all these together and whatnot. But now we got these two done. Honestly, the ARB air compressor is pretty badass. I was surprised, like they are expensive, but it just aired those two 37s up in about, I don't know, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes or something like that. So we got this one done. I'll throw it to that side right there and grab it. Then now, just swing back on this side, plug it in onto this tire, and this one over to this tire. Boom. And now we'll just hit the button real quick. We'll just shut all the doors. Silence. All right, guys, and just like that, we aired up all 4 37-inch tires in about like 3 minutes. Honestly, you know, I was very skeptical at first about the ARB air compressor, about how much it costs and whatnot. But dude, it aired up 37s in like 3 minutes. That's the fastest I ever aired up. And the Deviate mount is amazing. Super convenient spot. There is some other things that I'm gonna probably do in the future to route the airlines and whatnot. I'll come show you real quick. So right now, the air fitting is sticking up like this, which comes on every ARB air compressor. And I'm eventually gonna put a little low profile T right here, so then I can have it, the seat down all the time, going to this angle in, and put a little hole right here. Or either like come out and put it somewhere like convenient, like right under here, and have it just plug in right there. But right now, and honestly, it's not even hot. Not even hot. Oh, I forgot to unplug this tire. And honestly, I unplugged it, and the air fitting is not that hot. So let's go shut the door, or shut the seat down, and kind of check and see the clearance. It should not hit. It is, these bumpers keep it up a little bit right there. So doesn't hit the air fitting, but let's go check. All right, open this side up. We'll put the seat down. Boom. Seat still goes down, which is awesome. But yeah, guys, throw down in the comments and hit up Deviate, tell them that they should make this product, because honestly, I really like it. The ARB is honestly worth the price. All those cheap air compressors, I've already been through 3 air compressors in the time of off-roading pretty much every weekend. Saturday and Sunday, so they get used a lot, and I'm tired of fiddling with the hood open and doing all that fun stuff. Just pain in the ass to me. Personally, especially, it's super quiet out here in the nature, so you can kind of air up. You can kind of air up, like, and it's nice and quiet. So, like I said, throw down in the comments, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want that product from Deviate, because they're not going to make it unless you guys want it. So make sure to let them know. Super awesome, convenient spot to put the ARB air compressor. And I know a couple other companies have them, but they're kind of in a weird spot where the air compressor can get a little messed up. So under the back seat is a safe bet. That's it, guys. Love you guys so much. Peace out. Take it easy.